Once upon a time in China, there was a powerful emperor who lived in a big, beautiful palace. People came from far away to see his shiny floors, pretty garden, and golden bells. But the most special thing was a little bird with beautiful voice. Its singing was so lovely, it made people cry with joy. One day, the emperor read in a book about this bird. He was shocked. What? A nightingale lived in my garden? Why didn't anyone tell me? He asked. He told his servant to find the bird. No one knew where it was until a kind kitchen girl said, I hear him sing every night. She showed them the way. The bird sang so sweetly that the emperor cried. He asked the nightingale to stay in the palace and sing. The bird agreed and lived in a golden cage. One day, the emperor got a gift. A shiny toy bird. It sang the same song over and over. Everyone liked it. The real bird felt sad and flew back to the forest. Many years passed. The emperor became very sick. He asked the toy bird to sing, but it was broken. Then, through the window, the real nightingale came. It sang a soft, lovely song. The emperor felt better. You saved me, the emperor said. The bird smiled and said, I will visit you and sing for you, but I cannot live in a cage. Let's give our little secret. The next day, the emperor became happy and strong again. True beauty came from heart. Real friends bring love, not just sparkle. Thank you.